Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever fired up a titled gaming laptop just to have it throttling, overheating, or sounding like a jet engine mid-boss fight, you know that sting? Well, this one finally breaks that cycle. Before we dive in, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. These Alienware 16 Aurora units disappear fast whenever discounts hit. I've been putting the Alienware 16 Aurora, 16 inches WQXGA 120Hz display, Intel Core 7-240H, 16 GB DDR5 over 1 of a terabyte SSD, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50508 GB, Windows 11 Home. Blue, through daily grind for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's the first entry-tier gaming rig from this brand that actually feels like a full gaming machine, not just a gaming label laptop. Opening it up and seeing that 16-inch screen fill my desk was immersive. The 120Hz refresh gives motion that feels fluid. The cursor, the games, the YouTube scenes all glide. The build. The blue finish nails the aesthetic without screaming gamer in a bad way. Solid hinge, aluminum lid, the classic alien head logo, but in a clean style. My backpack gets a little heavier, but I feel like I'm carrying purpose, not compromise. On the performance side, the Intel Core 7-240H, 10 cores, matches well with the RTX 50508 GB, and in real-world use, I flew through titles like Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Cyberpunk 2077 with DLSS on, and Apex Legends. I saw consistent frame rates in the 70 to 100 FPS range on high settings at 1440p 120 Hz. Reviewers measured similarly. This machine did decent for its class but isn't perfect for ultra-max settings. Tom's hardware. +1. The cooling holds up. Even after longer sessions, I felt warm but never whoa that's hot at the keyboard, and fan noise stayed reasonable. Quick reminder. Tap the link below to see the current price before it changes. These configurations, 1TB SSD, blue finish, tend to vanish during sales quickly. Spec-wise, 16 inches WQXGA display, 2560x1600 with 120Hz refresh, 100% sRGB support, and decent brightness. Nice for both gaming and creative use. The CPU is the Intel Core 7-240H 24 MB cache, up to approximately 5.2 GHz boost. On the GPU side, it's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50508 GB, or in some configs 5060, so you've got real RTX performance plus DLSS support. Storage 1TB SSD gives unlimited breathing room for big games. 16 GB DDR5 RAM and dual channel handles multitasking smoothly. Windows 11 Home and onboard Wi-Fi plus all the usual ports wrap it up. Durability and build real-world feel for a gaming laptop with this spec. The build strikes a good balance between robustness and portability. The lid feels firm. The hinge pops open easy. Surfaces don't flex under my fingers when playing. Yes, it's heavier than ultra-portables, but that's to be expected at the 16 inches size. If you plan to move it daily, still fine. Just use a padded backpack. Here's what makes it special. It doesn't promise the moon and then underdeliver. It just delivers on the core gaming experience with fewer frills, but fewer gimmicks too. Pros. Checkmark big, 16 inches WQXGA 120Hz display for immersive gaming and multitasking. Checkmark strong CPU plus RTX 5050 combo delivers real-world smooth performance. Checkmark good build and premium look in blue finish. Checkmark 1TB SSD gives plenty of room for large game libraries. Checkmark balanced thermals and manageable noise for a gaming laptop. Cons. Crossmark 16 GB RAM is decent, but some users doing heavy editing, streaming may want 32 GB. Crossmark at 16 inches with gaming GPU. Battery life is not ultra long. You'll mostly play plugged in. Crossmark lighter weight and ultra mini portability trade-offs were made. This is still a gaming machine, not a Featherlight Ultrabook. So, if you've been hunting for a gaming laptop that actually works rather than just looks like it should, this is it. Click the first link below right now to check if it's still discounted. These units bounce back up quickly when a sale ends. If this helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to grab that link before it's gone. This could be your smartest gaming upgrade of 2025.